Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to do a no sale. A no sale is what's going to pop your drawer, your cash drawer open on command. So you're going to want to sign in as the user that has the cash drawer attached. So in our case, it's number 1 for John Smith. And once you're signed in here, you go to the top menu at the top right by your name, and then down at the bottom you should see no sale. If you see attached drawer here, you are not the person that's attached to the drawer. You're the person that's attached to the drawer if you see the cash drawer there. So you hit no sale, pops the drawer open for you, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.